Thailand
Good
GTR.
afternoon, folks, and welcome to Nissan Display. My name is Lionel. For the next few minutes, we're going to talk about the totally redesigned 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. Right here in the beautiful color Arctic Blue. If you look at the design, it's wider and it's longer. Beautiful sculpt that lines from front to back. And it's now a 3.5 V6 going to kick out 260 horsepower, 240 pound-feet of torque. And with that wonderful CVT, continuous variable transmission, that's going to enable you to get those true miles per gallon. 19 in the city, 25 on the highway, 21 combined. Pretty impressive. And as you look inside here, we have our beautiful guests sitting inside, fully powered, so make sure you hop inside this user-friendly platform. You have the Easy Flex seating system located in the second row. That allows access to your third row. With the rear view monitor, you also have rear sonar, so you can see all sides of the vehicle, so no more blind spots. Touchscreen navigation system, a tri-zone